Okay, an engineering company shows metal parts for engines. The diagram below shows designs for a split disc. The split disc is drawn as two concentric circles, each with a centre O. Both OAB and ODC are straight lines. It is known that AOD is 142 degrees. That's 142 degrees. And OA and AB are both 1.8 centimetres. Okay, the company needs to know the area of the shaded surface, BCDA. Calculate this area. Okay, so we're going to be using the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. But we only want a fraction of the circle. And what we want is 142 360ths. So we're going to be using 142 360ths of the area of the circle. Okay, so to work out this shaded area then, we need the area of the big one, take away the area of the small one. Okay, so we're going to do 142 over 360 times pi r squared for the first one, for the large one. Take away 142 over 360 times pi r squared for the second one. So we've got two different radii. Right, so 142 over 360 times pi. The first radius, so the big one then, is 1.8 plus the 1.8. So it's going to be 3.6 squared. Take away from that 142 over 360 times pi, and the small radius is 1.8 squared. Okay, so just a point now of popping all that into our calculators. So 1.42 over 360 times by pi times by 3.6 squared. Take away 1.42 over 360 times by pi times by 1.8 squared. Oops, you can see a wrong there. 1.8 squared equals, there we have it, all of it equals 12.04 centimetres squared. There we go.